So this is the first time I'm washing this bike, and I decided also to clean the chain. I don't know who owned this bike before me, but I can tell you, whatever they put on the chain, after I cleaned it with the chain cleaner and washed the bike off and rinsed out the chain and brought it back in, I still keep getting a lot of dirt coming off of this chain. I mean, they put so much goop on this chain that it was all here. It was everywhere. I mean, people, I tell you, when they go to lubricate their chain, they put all kinds of shit on the chain, and next thing you know, it's grease flung everywhere. I had to clean this off because there was so much grease flung there, and oh man, and yet still, despite all that grease that they put on, the chain still manages to rust on the outside. Luckily, I don't see any evidence of O-ring failures. So what I've done is I've cleaned out as much of that old grease as I can. And mind you, this is after bringing it back into the garage. I managed to clean off the old grease as much as I can, and I'm going to put a quality wax on this. But I mean, it's an O-ring chain. It doesn't need all that greasing. It just needs a periodic cleaning and a good wax, and that's it. Why do people feel they got to put all kinds of crap on the chain? After spending some time polishing this chain and removing as much of the old grease as I can, I applied my own DuPont wax. Let me show you what it is. This is what I use. Simple. Goes on. It resists flinging. Wax-based chain lube. Because once you put the lube inside there, you're trying to get in between the rollers and the side plates. That's where you're trying to lubricate. So I don't know what people think when they're putting the lube all over the place. It's supposed to look dry like this and clean. So I wiped off a lot of it, and hopefully over time I'll get this chain clean, and hopefully everything will be okay.